Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Find My Device on Honor 200 Lite. Enabling Find My Device can help you find your device via another device when your Honor 200 Lite gets stolen or gets lost. To enable or disable this function, go to Settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy. Now scroll down to Device Finders, click on it, find my device, and now you can disable it or enable it. To disable Find My Device, you'll need to verify that it's you. To do it, use either a fingerprint sensor here on the side of your device or use your password. I'm gonna use my fingerprint sensor. Just place my finger on the side of my device, and now Find My Device is disabled. I'm gonna enable it back again. I need to verify it's me again. Okay, and now it's enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.